The axolotl is a salamander with the condition of neoteny, which allows him to keep his larval traits in adulthood. It was once considered an Aztec god, and it can only be found in Xochimilco, a lake in Mexico City. Although, now this cute little amphibious is an endangered species because he has been affected by the contaminants present in the lake where he lives. The axolotls have 4 different ways of breathing. They can do it through their lungs, their skin, their gills, and the back of their throat, so they are especially susceptible to contaminants or pollution. Why are these animals important to science, and why we should be aware of their decrease in population? Imagine if you lost an arm. Of course, it wouldn't regenerate back even if you tried to sew it. But what happens if an axolotl lost a limb? The Ambystoma mexicanum has the amazing ability to regenerate back its lost extremities. But what is his secret, and how he can do this?
Hi, I'm Natalia Ramirez from Mexico, and I will explain you the mystery of the axolotl and cellular regeneration.
First, the basis of cellular regeneration and the process in the axolotl. When the amphibious loses a limb, he immediately forms a blastema, which is composed of undifferentiated cells. This regeneration bot is capable of transforming into an organ. Now, let's see the concept of stem cells. In humans, stem cells are formed in the embryo. These cells are responsible of the growth and development of the baby, because they can divide into other types of cells that have various functions in the organism. The cells reproduce with the process of mitosis, which has 6 different phases. Firstly, the interphase G1, where the cell increases its size, the organelles are replicated, and essential growth proteins are synthesized. Then, the interphase S1, where the DNA is replicated. During prophase, the genetic material is condensed in the nucleus, and replicated chromosomes can be seen when they adhere to the centromes. In metaphase, the spindle fibers extend with the centrioles, and a metaphase plate is formed when the chromosomes align. In anaphase, the chromosomes are separated and they move with the spindle fibers into opposite sides. Finally, in telophase, the different chromosomes that were condensed are spread into a hank of chromatin. With this, 2 new cells are generated. If we're talking about stem cells, an asymmetric division is the result of mitosis, where a parent cell has a similar cell and a specialized cell. Then, potentiality is the way we can differentiate between stem cells. If the cell can only produce a single specialized cell, it's unipotential. If it can produce similar functional cells, it's hematopoietic. And if it's pluripotential, it can produce all cells in the organism or a variety of them. The secret of the axolotl relies on the differentiation. This is the capability of converting tissue cells in pluripotential stem cells, giving the axolotl the opportunity to regenerate the missing extremity with the process of mitosis.